Yeah. And with this, you can also start using people from TikTok Shop to drive over here with different affiliate commissions and different stuff like that.
So many things
they
you
could
can
be
do.
writers.
Yeah.
They could enhance their brand by working with your brand. So I think it's not only viable, I think it's necessary in 2024 plus.
Yeah, man. So it's also framing it differently in that, you know, we think the goal of advertising is to just generate that first sale. We want to be profitable on that first sale.
Right.
This way of thinking is totally different because I can go out and I can acquire a customer. I can get somebody who, you know, gets the sunglasses, and I can be profitable, but I can also not be profitable.
Right.
I can actually lose money on the initial sale, knowing that now they're a customer. They're going to get onto my newsletter, and I'm going to monetize that newsletter. And the more people I can get into that newsletter, the more I can charge advertisers for brand deals, affiliate commissions, TikTok Shop stuff, whatever it is. And then, yeah, I can sell them more of my own sunglasses at a higher margin because I've already acquired the customer. So
it also opens up the opportunity for a lot of different style strategic funnels, right? Let's say the average funnel, right? You got your hero products, or you're driving to a home page or just some form of funnel, and you're selling your product or more of your product or some adjacent product with like upsells and stuff like that. That's the logical understanding of how to sell this, right? Let's say that, man, like it's just not converting, we're having a hard time. Cool, let's try to get people into a newsletter first, and then like start selling the products. Because this acquisition is gonna be $2-3, not $40, $50. This might be $5, right? Conversely, oh, I don't know if I want to start there. Cool. Hey, join this newsletter and get this product for $5. Now it's a free plus shipping.
100%.
Just pay for the shipping for joining the newsletter. We're going to give you this. Sports Illustrated did it forever.
Dude,
we're going back to that.
The football phone.
That's
exactly what it is, right?
It's the football phone. Hey, join my magazine, newsletter, whatever it is, right? We're gonna give you a football phone and just cover the shipping, $29.99. You're paying for the subscription, right? You're not paying for a subscription here. You get this for free, plus a gift. You gotta pay shipping. You eat it on the first one, but immediately now you get discounts on other products and different things like that. There are so many cool ways now to structure your e-commerce company if you think of it as a media company first.
100%.
Did we just invent this, I feel? I feel like we're kind of like, I'm gonna go said, we are gonna be the market leaders on this.
We are, because
no one
talks about this. They all just think, I got customer and I'm gonna sell them more crap, right? Or more stuff, or the next thing. And that's not what this is about.
You're just a commodity.
At all, you are.
This separates you into a media business, into something know, like, trust. You can create, you can publish, you can collaborate, you can get advertisers, you can do advertising deals. Okay, let's stick with the baseball. We've built this newsletter, right? Now you've got somebody from Georgia that's like, hey man, I do a youth thing for 500 kids in the summer. I'd like to advertise with you guys. Cool. Also, can I get a discount for 500 of the glasses? Now you're doing corporate, right?
And corporate sale.
Can that happen? Yeah, 100%.
100% it can,
man. This is
all
logical
day.
biz dev ascensions.
I mean, it's what I used to do speaking wise, right?
Exactly.
I would be like, all right, it's 10 grand to hire me for an hour. I'll go do a keynote, or you can buy 500 of my books, right? And I'll come speak for free.
And this is how everybody becomes a bestseller, by the way.
Yeah,
like all the people.
That's the best formula. but like, dude, it's so crazy. But again, it's just changing this mindset of thinking of yourself as just I sell widgets to I run a media company that happens to have widgets as one stream of revenue. How can I create these other streams of revenue from advertising, affiliate deals, brand deals, all that stuff, which then helps you get more people to buy your widget, which the more people to buy your widget, they join your newsletter list, you charge more money for brand deals and affiliate offers and all that, which then you can dump that money back into continuing to grow this company. And that's how you're gonna grow a really, really big business.
So let's do one more to give you guys another example, right? Yeah. With the golf company that we're launching here, the golf clothing company.
This one blows me away.
Logically, you're gonna think like, oh cool, they're gonna teach swings and all that. Like that's the overarching thing, like just golf in general. Now, we're gonna teach you how to be a Renaissance man, okay? And watch where I'm gonna go with it, right? Like we're gonna go Renaissance. Renaissance Man newsletter.